Welcome to the Okanagan Science Centre Online, a safe source for science which you can do at home. Our science now has to do with liquids and gases. We're going to take a liquid, pop, that has a gas in it, carbon dioxide. That's the bubbles. We need a glass, some pop, and some raisins. First thing we have to do is open the can, and of course we'll save it for further experiments. Pour it in here without losing much of the carbonization. There we go. It actually worked. Normally I do this with a tall cylinder, but you probably don't have one at home, nor do I. We then take a drop of raisins in. If you watch, the raisins sink to the bottom, then they'll rise to the top. You have to look closely to understand why. You'll notice the bubbles, the gas, sticks to the raisins. It sticks to them, makes them lighter so they go to the top, the bubbles will pop and the raisins will sink. And this will go on for as long as the carbonization is there. Once the pop gets too flat, of course it'll quit. It's called the dancing raisins. A liquid with a gas in it. Try it at home. Thank you.